how to fix turn passcode off is being grayed out or disabled on iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on Settings. In Settings, scroll down and then tap on Face ID and Passcode. From here, enter in your current passcode. Next, you want to scroll down and then in here we tap on, so you can see at the moment it is being disabled. So you want to turn on or tap on Reset Face ID. After you have reset Face ID, you can see here turn passcode will become available for you to switch it off. So you can tap on it to switch it off. And to switch it off, you need to enter in your Apple account password so that you can proceed with turning it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.